are live now. Hello, everybody.
I'm not.
Let me send out
Ooh.
announcements.
Meow 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 stuff. Dante demoed out. Live chat. Start streaming. I'm alive. Probably. Can you join the stream together, please?
Yeah.
Can you? Are you sharing your screen currently?
Yes.
You are. Fucking ugly ass 720p 30 FPS stream.
Oh, and I turned my mic down a little bit, the gain, because I noticed it was a little louder than yours last stream. Because I guess the thing that I had before that was making it quieter. So, anybody that's watching my stream, let me know how it sounds. It sounds amazing. Because it does.
Oh,
for sure.
What is this thing? I remember this.
You what? Huh?
I was working on the enemy spawning thing.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
I was also thinking about it. Dude, I keep seeing that logo and I keep thinking it's a half heart instead of a 9.
I think you're just insane.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah,
it looks like
so.
a half Minecraft hardcore heart, actually.
Your might be like weird.
No, hold on. No, I think I'm right for this one. I'm opening a spray right now.
Actually, yeah, you might be right on this one.
I am.
Wait, why isn't it showing the icon for me? Oh, it does only show when you run it.
Because you're inside of Godot, brother.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize it was only when you run it. I see. Oh, you can hear the amazing sound of the salmon portal spawning in and out. Well, you can't, but everybody else can.
Oh yeah, so the enemy spawns. I'll show you what I've got set up, and then you can tell me if you hate it or love it.
People. You want to see I also have the salmon storm on my screen if you want to see. But
yeah, sure.
you do yours. Okay.
Let me look.
I just have the water thing.
On that one, so.
I need to have the salmon come flying out of it, but that's what it looked like. I'm thinking.
There's the rotation still feels off to me.
What about it feels off?
Like, I don't know. It's. I really don't know how to describe it, but it just feels off.
Maybe it would look better if I made like the center part and like the outer parts different pieces. So the center like spins and then the outer pieces are like particles in the background.
Can you go to the scene that's set up in?
It also has a nice sound that I made.
Yeah, can you zoom in on the sprite? And not that far, not that far, not that far. Can you select just the sprite?
Just the sprite.
Or whatever you're rotating. Are you rotating sprite or visual?
The sprite.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Can you grab the sprite then? Can you press E so you pick up the rotation tool? And then just spin it around. Maybe like kill the particles while we're in here. Yeah, no, just like keep turning the particles back on. It is. I think the problem with it is that it is off center by weight. Can you spin it just a little slow, like just kind of slowly?
Oh, I see. So we can just do.
It could be moved up and to the left a little bit. You can change the offset. Change the offset. Yeah.
But
offset inside the sprite.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to, for some reason. Why is the reset like this should not be a 0? Hello? Why is it slightly rotated? Oh, is this rotating it? No. Why is it slightly rotated? Oh, visual slightly rotated for some reason.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
maybe that was
the upper right part of it has more weight. So
Yeah,
move
I
a little bit.
see. So if we go like that, and then move it over like that.
Yeah, I believe you can change it over on the right under the offset. If you were to change that, it would actually move the sprite for you.
Oh, would it?
I believe so, yeah. It keeps it
Yeah.
centered.
But that looks about right. Let's see if we go here. That's more like it.
It's a little bit better, yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
I wonder. I think we have a fucking pixel perfect thing, don't we?
Yeah, I mean, honestly,
I'm just curious what it would
I
look
think
like
it looks
if,
okay. Yeah, we can try it maybe. Because also, like, this will be showing up while you're doing other things, so it's not like it's like a big massive thing that. And what I was thinking is we just spawn them like randomly around the room.
Yeah.
That was the idea.
Do I have a sprite? What's a good sprite to load? Am I live or am I not live? Sorry, I just realized that my Twitch chat never
That would
got
be
a
really
message.
funny. You also need to start this shared chat.
Yeah, I need to figure out what the hell's going on with
What
this
the hell?
first. What the hell are you on?
Well,
I'm
you're
fine.
live on
Sorry, I
YouTube.
didn't mean YouTube. I meant on Twitch. I'm sorry, I didn't make that super clear. I noticed that because it usually sends us some stupid message that's like, Stream Elements says Bidleticus live. Oh, I'm not live on Twitch. Very cool.
That's awkward. I think the particles work pretty
also-
well. They're a little sketchy, but like
Fuck.
it works, you know.
Yeah, let me. Oh, I have to re-off my fucking Twitch.
Now you can
I'm
always
also
make it
noticing
nicer.
a couple of annoying things. That's weird. That's really weird. So over on YouTube, I've got this message from AJ Metal in my chat, but inside of OBS, it just doesn't have that. Which is like
Crazy.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Bitlytic is now live streaming.
Ooh. There we go. Now we're good. Now I can share chat.
Let's go.
Cool. Okay. All right. I think we have this. I can put this back on my screen so I can show off this thing, or I can mess around with this thing.
Yeah.
What's a
Yeah.
good
If you want to show
sprite?
me that so I can see. Did I
Where's the
accidentally turn off interpolation or something? Because one of these feels kind of. I guess not. What if we you turn off the scale curve? Give you a
That looks very funny, but not correct. Well, that's kind of cool. It's definitely wrong, but it's kind of cool. Can you give this a shot, JW?
wait, what, huh?
Can you... is Visual doing anything? It's just a Node 2D, right?
Yeah.
Right-click Visual, change it to Canvas Group.
Canvas group.
Canvas Group. I don't even know what that node is, do you?
Yeah, it groups things together into a canvas.
Okay, and what does that do?
It makes it so that way, if you like add multiple, if you put a shader on it, it only applies it as like one big sprite instead of multiple layered on top of each other.
Wow, I'm actually really surprised that he knows that. But yeah, if you add a material,
How do I do that? Oh,
new
okay.
shader material.
Oh, new shader material. Yeah.
Yep. Click on it. Quick load. It's called Pixel Canvas, I believe. If you just search Pixel,
Pixel
that
canvas.
one.
Oh.
Change that to 4,
Oh, 4.
and then open the game and see what that looks like while it's spinning. But don't worry about it. It changes whenever you zoom in and out. Don't worry about it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what you see in game is what matters, and we'll see if that
Okay.
looks. I'll change something about it if it does end up looking good.
That actually almost works. Something's weird with
Okay.
the scaling. Oh, is this gonna mess it up?
Yeah, probably.
No?
Yeah,
No?
Yes.
Is it?
it changes some things. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it is. kind of hard to tell. Here, what if we turn down the time scale? Yeah, there's some weirdness going on, but it doesn't...
Yeah. I think it's because of the resolution of your thing. Can you toss me that sprite real quick? Like, you haven't pushed that up, have you?
No, I don't... no, I haven't. Yeah,
Okay.
let me send it to you. We got an error, too?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Probably.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's fine.
I have an error, actually. What is this? No, never mind. We're good.
Where do I have this? I think I just dumped it in testing, because...
You can just, like, go to the sprite and then right-click show and file, and then you can right-click on the thing and then open it up
yeah,
and
or I
explore.
can just find it here.
You're right, dude. Yeah, that's true.
Hello? Oh, right, I have to, like, actually open the file path. Like, why can't I just drag it from Godot? Show in file manager. Guys, look, it's my file system.
OneDrive. It starts with OneDrive.
Yeah, because I was too lazy to change it.
It should automatically have highlighted the file, and I'm kind of surprised that it didn't.
Nope, because I'm on Windows 11.
It's also crazy that you're not just, like, typing the name of it right now.
There it is.
You know that you can, like...
Why would you think
can, like,
that I
type.
would do that? Wait, if you
You
just...
can just, like, type. Yeah. While you're in Explorer, if you just type, it'll, like, select the thing.
That didn't work. Let me make sure that's not, like, doxing me. I don't think it is. It definitely isn't, but, like... So you're saying, like, if I go... Like... Here...
Just, like, open up the thing that you just had open.
I don't know how to get back to there. Oh, I can just, do this.
Yeah, brother. Yeah.
Yeah, so... Oh, so it does
It does
highlight
highlight it. But yeah, if you just type.
You get... What?
Yes. Yeah.
You can just...
You
what?
just type.
That's so
Yeah, you can
cool. I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, you can just type.
What? I didn't know that. Okay, don't judge me.
Because it was never used the computer.
This is true.
Let's see. I'll just like toss this in the fucking regular assets folder. It's not gonna be on my machine forever. I just wanted to test something with it. Hey,
Words
thanks,
said
Discord.
by a guy who's
I'm
gonna have it on his
let's
machine forever.
let's not convert this to a WebP and like pretend that we did. All right, buddy. I'm gonna open this up in PowerShell and I'm gonna convert this WebP to a PNG because I don't like WebP, and neither does Godot, and that's really what matters.
I got me some
Valid parameter.
cherry lime Sprite, and it's pretty yummy.
Dash I.
Or I guess it's just
Valid
cherry Sprite
parameter.
because Sprite is lime, but like whatever.
How the fuck do I? Is it?
Lime is like kind of an underrated flavor, I feel like.
Wait till you get into the age where you can drink alcohol. You will find out that wine is not
Wine?
underutilized, or lime.
Lime.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wine is an overrated flavor. I think wine tastes like shit. Salmon Storm.
Salmon Storm.
Oh shit, why are you so small? Oh, you need to be ×4, I forgot. And then I'll just,
Oh,
like,
that
give
looks
you
much
bonus
better if
focus.
I give those an alpha curve as well. Whoop, curve in the alpha. Me, I am.
Him, apparently.
Oh yeah, that looks much better. Minus the... I don't really like the pixel... Because, honestly, I realized that... So, here's my take on pixel perfectness in the game. The main thing that I care about is the pixels being the same size, for the most part. I don't really care if they're perfectly in the grid. The main thing is that they're the same size. So, like, the player... Obviously, the pixels change size because he like squashes and rotates around, but the main thing is that the pixels are the same consistent size. So for example, for this, it does have like this size scale animation where it goes up, but for the most part of it, the particles and the thing are all the same size pixels, but I don't mind too much if it rotates as long as it looks nice. That's kind of my view. But the main thing I don't like is like pixels that are really large or really small mixed together. So for
here's
example,
what
like
this
the
looks
boss text is like one reason I really don't like that is because it just has like really big pixels
Yeah.
mixed with slightly
look at my
smaller ones.
screen?
Yep, I'm looking.
So this is the normal portal storm.
Hold up. There we go.
I believe in you.
Yep, I'm looking.
Okay. And then pixel.
Yeah, the normal ones definitely fits better. The pixel one doesn't look bad. I think the issue is just that everything else isn't perfectly pixel perfect like that, so it feels almost out of place, in my opinion.
What's this like if I zoom in?
Also, happy Thursday, average Godot enjoyer.
Oh, looks like that almost works. There's definitely issues with it.
That doesn't quite look like it works, but
Yeah, no, it doesn't. Because this was built for... I was trying to make a pixel perfect canvas thing. But that didn't end up working, but it was the closest thing to pixel perfect that I had on hand. So I just wanted you to try that.
okay.
All right. So what I wanted to show you, by the way, was
I'll
this thing.
close this so people don't have to listen to the sound of the portal going off over and over again.
So in this room, we have spawn points. So these are predefined spawn points. Up, up. And whenever you enter the room, it will choose a random spawn set. So that is some fucking where spawn set. Yes, this enemy set. There's only one enemy set right now, and that set is in here, which is just ground imp and fire bat.
Yeah.
And then it has no extra enemy budget.
Yeah.
I might
So maybe
add
we
some
could
nice things to this,
have
but-
like enemy sets based on kind of like encounter type. So we
Types?
could have like ranged enemy encounter for the most part, or like tanky enemy encounter with like little minions, something like that.
I see. I was also kind of thinking that because I just saw this and I'm like, man, that's like really restrictive. Because like, what if you wanted one that has like a spider and an imp? But so it could be that thing where they're just kind of like general categories, or it could be that this has like a list of enemies that could spawn like in this like group. I could also make like an enemy group object that you can say like pick an enemy from this group X amount of times.
Is that Salmon the fish? Salmon Storm's looking pretty good. Do you see the portal?
The portal.
Oh, yeah, I'll show it off again just because it's so cool.
Yeah. Why do I have a ping on Discord?
No, I just need to make the little
nothing.
salmon come out of it, but
Nasi just responded to the
as
image
you
that I
can
sent
see,
him.
there's a nice portal, and the fish will go flying out of it.
Fire image, by the way. Love this image so much.
Kind of tough.
It is, yeah.
Portal and the particles
Okay.
are fire, yeah.
Um,
Yeah, I made some like generic particles a few weeks ago, and now I'm actually using them, and they're really nice. I need to make more of them.
oh, I was also thinking about for the worm.
The worm.
So the way his like text comes on screen,
Mm-hmm.
obviously you said you don't like it because of whatever. What if this text did like a shaky effect, like as it spawned in? Like each thing had like a...
I mean, that
like,
could be
jitter to it
cool.
as it
That's
settled in.
still, it's not gonna make
I know
me
it
like the
has...
text.
No, that's not like a what if this fixes the text. I'm just curious
Okay.
about what if that's a thing.
Maybe I think it should be like a quick flash, or it should be skippable.
Well, it should definitely be skippable because I will die on this hill. And
Yeah.
cutscene should be skippable.
Yeah. And I mean, yeah. I'm just thinking.
Yeah. Because I was like, we could have like cool text effects like that, and that wouldn't be like hard to do.
Yeah. I'm just trying.
Have it be configurable.
Maybe I'll look at Gungeon and see what kind of font they use for their bosses.
Yeah.
Because
I was also thinking, well, the Gungeon bosses have like an intro animation. Kind
yeah,
of thing.
it's like the big art that like pops up.
Yeah, which we could do. I mean, that's up to you.
I don't know how to draw big art.
It's just a little art, but large.
Yeah,
I mean.
it's hard.
But I was thinking about for one of his attacks, by the way, was that he like causes an earthquake or something, and that causes like rocks and shit to fall down from the sky.
Oh, that would be cool, yeah.
Okay. I'm just glad that you enjoy that.
Yeah.
I just thought of that on the spot like probably like 30 minutes ago.
Oh, did you listen to the worm audio that I made?
I did not. I'll give this a listen now because you've been asking me about that for like 24 hours now.
Work on my game, and you're like, that's cool. It doesn't look at it.
All right, let's give this a listen. This is what JW has been talking about for.
Here, I'll play it on my end too, so you guys can hear it. Where is it? Find it. Here, wait for me to find mine first, so that way we can all listen to it together.
I'm already listening to it.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Why is it 38 seconds long?
Because it's just like a looping sound.
What is the rest of the sound supposed to be?
That's just like it digging. It's like a digging sound that we can use.
Okay, so this would be split up into multiple sounds.
Yes, yeah, this is just kind of all of them compiled together. Here you go, guys. Here is the sound that we were speaking of.
The second hit that happens at like 2 to 3 seconds.
Yeah.
I feel like should be more basic.
Yeah, I can do that.
It's kind of like you just hit like an anthill with like a spoon.
Yeah.
But no,
yeah, those
I
ones
like
I didn't
the idea
notice
you're going
a whole
for.
lot, yeah. I discovered the, let me open Sprite. Not Sprite, Audacity.
So what am I doing today?
Audacity.
I need to make a list. I'm making a list.
Let me turn this down because the playback is always really loud on Audacity for some reason.
New note. November.
Where is it? Try that. The pitch and tempo change speed and pitch effect is very good.
Yeah.
So we can just make this like -25 and try that, and that'll just make it more bassy, I think.
Oh, I want to do room teleporting
Why
as
can't
well,
I,
potentially.
the back device?
Oh, I also need to
Why
fix the
can't I do
minimap.
this?
Is the audio going to the correct place?
Yeah, it is. It's just quieter than I thought it would be.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I should have this on screen.
Oh, I have the wrong thing on screen too. Why is this one like... Did I accidentally cut off this sound?
I guess I'll focus on those two for now. The idea is that I wanted a trailer-specific thing to happen, which was when the player died. Excuse me. To have the screen fade to black behind them, so that it would make the trailer a little bit easier to work with.
Yeah. Okay, well,
so
I can
I'll
see
do-
what sounds later. But does that sound good overall?
Yeah, it's a good idea. I just think
Okay.
it needs a little bit more bass, and I think it would be easier if I mean, I don't know what you were planning to do, but like splitting things up like into different sounds would be easier as well. So we don't
Yeah,
have to,
so
like,
there'd
chop
be the
it
digging
into-
sound, which is looping, which you can use with the audio looper. Which that maybe we could run it through a specific audio channel, so that way we could control like the EQ, so that way when he's underground it's like bassier, and then when he pops out it's like has more high range.
Yeah, we could also, I mean, for something like that, if you wanted to, I believe you can add effects on here. I may be wrong, but if I were to add this, oh, you don't get effects, whatever. An audio stream with utilities for procedural sound generation? What the fuck are you talking about, dude? Whatever, I'll look at that later. That's cool, but like, I'm looking at it now. I lied. I'm sorry.
Biddy try to do anything without finding cool things and getting distracted challenge.
It expects a script to generate audio data for it? What? What? You can make your own audio files for your own audio shit? Wait, that's fucking sick.
Is this like that game that makes like noises based on like how far away things are, using like math or whatever? You probably haven't
What
seen
the
that.
fuck are you talking
I don't know.
about?
It's something I saw on Twitter like a couple weeks ago.
Oh.
It was some 3D game
no
where
clue.
you have like a little device thing that you like point at rocks and stuff, and it'll make different noises, but it's like math or whatever. So like it'll be based on like the distance and like material and things like that, and it's all like procedurally generated noise. Soggy croissant and furry noodle covered with hands. They aren't hands.
He's not
They
denying
do
he's
look
furry
like
noodle.
hands. Yeah, that
He's furry noodle.
not it's a tempura, but yeah, that's not fur. They done dip me in the fryer.
Whoa. Where's fried?
I'm fried.
For real long.
Must be chopped and fried before I'm served and ate. Okay,
Before you're served?
ate? Whatever, served and ate, serving. I don't know I don't remember how the saying goes.
Yeah, you gotta be chopped and fried before you serve and eat.
Yeah, that one. But it's
Not
like
not before you're served and ate.
Okay. So okay, I see. That's how that. It's like the words, you know, like sometimes they're hard yeah.
Oh, also, I don't know what the naming convention is gonna be for the bosses.
We're gonna call him
but-
Big Worm.
Okay, I was thinking maybe a little bit more creative than that.
A big worm. I don't
Okay,
know.
I see. So, like, for example, like, we could go with something that's just, like, this guy has a name, like, with this one where it's, like, Ouroboros is his name. Or we could do something closer to, like, Terraria, where it's, like, a description of what they are, what they do.
Big
I
fire
believe
worm
Gungeon
boss.
Kinda also does that. Like, rather than his name being Ouroboros, like, you would use, like, the tagline, kind of. So, like, his boss name could just be like Tunneler of Hell, or like the Tunneler of Hell, or like something like that, which is like memorable enough, but without like tying a name directly to him.
Yeah, or we could just call him like Big Worm.
Yeah, no, that's true. We could just do that.
Yeah.
Shouldn't you be like coding something?
Yeah, I should be coding something. How should I make them the portal spawn?
What?
Portal spawn.
What about it?
I'm trying to think. So I think I want it to be random, but it has to be. I would probably want it to be on the navigation area, and also maybe some way to make sure that they're evenly spread out, so it doesn't just spawn like 3 of them in one little cluster in a corner.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll let you like think on that, and then I can.
Oh, I have
get
to
stuck.
think.
Yeah. Well, like I was thinking, like you would make an attempt at this,
okay.
and then.
That's scary.
All right, dude.
So I'd probably want a salmon portal like handler scene to like spawn them, and that would be what like the player what goes onto the card.
Scene.
Well, yeah, because the card needs a scene.
Kinda. Yeah. Well, it would be like just the salmon storm ability or whatever.
Yeah.
Or well,
It's not an ability. It's just a single use.
this is like a you right click and you use it. Or is
I believe so. Yes, that was the plan.
Okay.
Because it's like a
That
summon.
makes sense.
Yeah, because you don't aim
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Basically, the idea is if you aim it, it's an equipment. If you don't, it's not. Basically,
Yeah.
for the most part, except for like the exceptions.
Oh, except for the exceptions.
But this will be called
see.
salmon ability because ability is not equipment.
All right, dude.
Even though someone might think otherwise.
This motherfucker.
Oop, wait, what did I do? Click on? What did I click on?
You attached a script.
I don't know what I did. No, I didn't, but I clicked on something else. It's okay, don't worry about it. Everything's fine now. I'm a great streamer, guys. Can you like nominate me for like the streamer awards or whatever? You should vote for me over like
Ew.
Pirate Software for like best software and game dev streamer.
Ew. Stop
Yeah.
talking.
Stop. What?
Everything you're saying right
What did
now
I-
is like making me angry.
What did I do?
Talking about, can you guys vote for me for the streamer awards? Can I get a streamer award? Can I get a streamy?
But, well, how else am I supposed to get one? Just like, shut up?
You don't.
Oh.
That shit sucks. Don't worry about it.
Oh, but
You
I
don't
don't
wanna
want a
be like
shiny
the-
award.
You can get a shiny award for like Dante's 9. Don't get a shiny award for streaming award.
Ah, yeah, okay, fine. Okay, guys, vote for Dante's 9 for the Steam Awards 2025.
All right, buddy. That's enough out of you.
I should start clipping our streams and uploading them to
No,
YouTube Shorts.
I don't think so.
Yeah, we just gotta be funnier.
No.
Yeah.
Can I?
Guy who clips his streams to upload to YouTube Shorts, even though he's not funny. This extends. Card. Wait, is card ability equipment technically, or is that any card?
I don't remember.
Okay, thank you.
Couldn't you just like look at the soul projector and see what it does?
Oh yeah, crazy to think of that. I was about to do that.
Best viewers, get out of here.
Wait, really? Best viewers for me?
Player death cutscene.
Soul Projector. Here you are. Oh, that's the card.
Do I
We
want
want
to
the
do
card
this?
scene.
I guess I could just like. I know.
You
what I'm gonna do.
extend
This is
card
gonna be, like-
ability. Yes, it's card ability twin. Oh, it takes in a direction, but I guess that. Yeah, I guess it's fine.
Fuck, how do I want to do this? I need to make the player camera. Not. I guess I could. I could connect to the player's death signal and then take over their camera. No, that's gonna be annoying.
So I don't need a class name for this. Activate.
Love this shit. Solar base position. You do like so much shit. It is like insane. Although I guess I could just do like if I were to say like global position after all of this, it's just like nerd global position. What are you gonna do? Who are you gonna be upset at?
What if I made this?
Oh
a
that
pack?
oh god, that feels fucking terrible.
What did you? What do you do?
It just follows Dante directly.
Oh.
It's
Does it
because I
feel
wanted to
terrible?
move to his position after he dies.
Ah, okay.
So I'm just gonna do a thing that's like
Sure.
if
Oh, because you're working on the trailer
Yes.
stuff. Yeah.
yeah.
Win.
What the fuck is that bound to? Is that still a thing? Debug check scrolling. Wrong place. You're not bound to anything.
I'm-
but guess
I'm-
what? You're bound to
I'm
L.
so surprised that I'm still working on this game, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's so
too.
weird. I like
I'm
made
surprised
like
that I am too.
I made like 3 game jams and it was just like, okay, now we lock in. And now I've been working on it for like a year. Over a year. It's kind of crazy. It's weird because like I don't know. I never really figured out how to make a big project, and I still don't know how to make a big project, and somehow I'm doing it.
True.
So if you don't know how to make a big project, don't worry, because I don't either.
I'm gonna make a temporary variable to do remove this bar camera lerp amount 0.
So we should probably have a separate function for a pick random position. Is there a way to get the navigation region? Or, yeah, the navigation region from the level?
Yes. Well, yes. Usually, yes.
Usually.
If you do, I just, fuck. Does level manager always return? I don't believe this always returns a room-based component. No, it's a node. You can do level manager dot current room as room-based component. And make sure that that is a room-based component. And then like bring that out to a variable. Yeah.
Got a room.
Colon equals that, so you get IntelliSense and everything. And then you can just do like an if not room return so that it doesn't crash if this is used outside of that. And then you can do room.navigation. I believe it's called navigation region.
Okay.
Yeah. That should be access to the current navigation region.
Okay, is there
No,
how do I get a random point on here?
I don't know. I don't remember. I thought there was something, but I don't remember if there is.
Navigation. Oh, wait. Oh, this is navigation region.
Yeah, it
bigger?
extends navigation region.
Oh, okay.
It's the tool script that you can use to hide it. So it's not...
okay. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Methods.
Meh.
Meh.
What the fuck was I just doing? Where in the camera? Camera.gpu. Player per amount goes up to 1 over that amount of time. Does this work? Let's find out. Since camera is fine. And then if I hit L.
So
Oh, it
isn't
becomes
it
evil
like
camera.
navigation server or something?
Maybe.
Server 2D dot get random. How did I know that? I'm a genius.
What the fuck?
I
What
might
the
be the
fuck did you
smartest
just
person
do?
in this stream.
Dude, this man just casted a fucking spell. He just ulted.
That might.
Bro's got a
I
passive
might be a
that
better
just proc or
programmer than
some
you.
shit.
All right, now it's got to recharge for another 2 weeks.
Now he's gonna be confused about the error that's on his screen about passing 1 argument instead of 2.
Yeah.
Be like, what the hell? So this works now. So if the player dies, let's say I just load into like room and then die. Oops, I moved my keyboard. Okay, he dies. Oh, hello, Ouroboros. Dante is currently dead. And if I were to hit L, then the camera would center on Dante.
Navigation layers. I think
Nice.
we want 0, right? See, now I'm confused.
What?
We'll just see if that works. We'll print this out. Salmon abilities, source, cards, abilities. Wait, no. Yeah, cards, new abilities. We need to fix their files. Actually, we don't need to fix their file system because it works, and if it works, it works.
What files?
Oh, also, I just realized the other day that you can go back and forth in the object history. Like, nobody told me that.
You're gonna lose your mind whenever I tell you about in the script editor, you can hit Alt left and Alt right to go back and forth.
That's not too crazy because the buttons are right here, and I don't need to use keyboard shortcuts.
You can also do that. Godot also allows you to do that with your mouse. So if your mouse has side buttons, you can use those.
What? Okay.
Yeah.
I hate keyboard shortcuts.
Why? What?
Because
Are
they're
you
useful,
stupid?
but I don't know any of them, and I don't know how to use any of them. And then it's just like magic when I learn about them, and then I just forget about them the next day.
I'm actually kind of surprised that they're not in here.
I should
know they have the buttons
install
up there.
Neuralink into my brain to teach me keyboard shortcuts.
True. I thought I connected this to the thing.
Wait. I know what I'm doing. Salmon card. Salmon storm. Card scene. Wait, watch this. I'm gonna use quick load. I might be the best programmer.
That technically does things. I don't care enough to fix this. This is gonna be ugly code, but whatever.
Whoa, he just died.
Shit. I can't wait till 4.6 when we get that export variable
6.7.
dragon thing. 6.7, yeah, it's gonna be my favorite Godot version.
Trying to assign type salmon ability dot cheat. Oh, did I put the script in there, didn't I?
You might have.
Oh wait, I can just wait. Watch this, guys. I can go back.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, no, that's not it. Here it is. No, it's not a script. What's the error? Trying to assign type salmon ability to a variable of type base equipment dot gd. What did good to what?
Oh,
is it because this is? Oh, it's because it's an equipment card. It's an equipment card.
Yeah.
I need to add a summon card because I think this one's summon. It's gonna be the type. I also need to add a text option or just options on the regular card for full art cards. There we go. Nice. 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, well, that's not working obviously. I think it was watch this, guys. This is gonna magically make it work. Look at that. I'm a genius, guys.
Whoa, he's like ulting as fuck right now.
Look at that. I magically knew what the thing. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Oh, that doesn't make the level fucking transparent though.
It's just that stupid arrow rotating in the corner.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's doing some shit, man. He's going through some shit right now. Like, I guess this could just be a child with a fucking player because, like...
What's your favorite type of water bottle?
What kind of a question is that?
I need a water bottle, and I want to know what kind of water bottle I should buy.
You're gonna outsource that kind of decision to someone else?
Yes.
That's kind of crazy.
Chat, what?
That's insane.
Chat, give me a good water bottle.
Where in the fuck is this color rect? Why are you not showing up? Oh, because your size is probably... Yeah. What kind of water bottle should I get? Dante's in front of the level, right?
The what?
Yeah, okay, there we go. So that works. I just need to... I would love those to be in front of the particles, if possible. Oh, there we go.
I'm not the guy right now for a water bottle. I'm not the right guy for a water bottle recommendation. I got it, guys. I got it.
Got there.
I got it.
So the plan for the trailer...
I don't either. That's why I need a water bottle. It's because I don't drink water and I need to drink water.
One of the things that I want to do maybe is to have Dante get killed, and then as he like goes to land, like as he lands on the ground, everything but him disappears off the screen. So it's just him, and then we could do a bit more animation behind that, like have like the train come in, or like have the fucking whatever that restarts his run. I also would like to get rid of the death ray effect while this is happening because I don't think that should happen in the trailer. Okay, that might be way too long of a fade out. This is a video game trailer we're talking about.
Yeah, it's gotta be really fast.
Yeah, everything's gotta be really fast and like dopamine responsive.
Yeah.
And also, I think this should ease in. Mayhaps. What does that look like? No, it should definitely like. Yeah, something like that. I think that'll be fine. Yeah, so that would be on Dante.
Why is the arrow still there?
It doesn't matter because I would be masking that up.
Yeah, I know, I'm joking. Okay, I was trying to do a cool debug thing, but now I don't. It's not working. Never mind. I'll just spawn them. I was trying to draw a circle where all of the portals.
Oh, you can't do that in just a regular ass function. You have to do that inside of the draw function specifically.
Bruh, why is it an option to do it here?
Because it's a function that belongs to the node, and you can do it so long as you're inside of a draw call.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing all that.
All right, bud.
Because I can just do Portal C.
You guys are looking for feedback. I know someone at Infinity Ward who might be willing to give some. Maybe. That would be really cool. We really want to make a good trailer.
Who made Fortnite?
Ignore him.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So, we really want to make a good trailer. We might have a couple of passes at it. I wish I was better at art so that I could do like a storyboarding thing because I have like ideas for parts of the trailer. I can't show them off though because I'm
just draw it and I can help make it look nice. You can just be like,
I might.
It should look like this, and then you know.
Yeah. Also, sorry, the map isn't working, right? Is that what? Yeah, that's a problem. The map isn't working. Why is the map not working?
Also, I need to figure out how to make the train look really, really cool.
Yeah.
Because I think I want to have it to have like kind of like ghost rails that like spawn in as it flies along, so it can kind of just go anywhere. That was kind of
the person idea. You know at Clay might be more your speed at the comment. Dude, I fucking love Clay Entertainment.
Clay.
I
have no.
They made Don't Starve. They made Don't Starve. Don't Starve Together. Oxygen not included.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I haven't played any of this, but they look cool. Yeah.
What was their other? Well, I know their original game was Eats. That one's pretty cool. But I fucking love Don't Starve. I really want to have a group of us play Don't Starve together at some point.
Maybe.
That game is fucking sick.
Remember when we were gonna do?
I don't know if you would enjoy it.
Community stream events, and then we like never did that.
Yeah.
We should do that sometime.
Nah. Maybe. But nah.
Maybe someday. Maybe we should just like we should open up a file, like a file for Dante's 9, and then just talk for like 3 hours and not do anything with the file.
That's true. Oh shit, we should. It should be called like Dante movement.yaml, and it should be like 4,000 lines, and you should just scroll up and down.
Yeah, like that.
That'd be sick.
Wait, we just want to.
Why is this not? Sorry, what does this look like right now? Why are you not? Why does the minimap not work until the second time that you open it?
Also, just double checking, does my mic sound okay? For anybody on my stream, not on Biddy's stream.
No.
Oh, okay. Hope that didn't work. Oh,
sounds really bad.
Guess who didn't set an export variable?
Me. Should get like a little like You know the like fell forward again award? You have no idea what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
yeah. Sorry, I got distracted. What? Yes, I know what you're talking about.
The fell forward again award. That we
yeah.
should have something like that, but forgot to assign the export again award.
This is true. Look, I'm using quick load again, guys. I'm goated.
Why are these not visible?
Oh, salmon portal.
Where are these at?
Yeah. Oh. Let's make this just once, so that way it's not like a... She'll add a...
I am so fucking confused on why this is not showing up until the second time that it happens. Because it's not you, right? Wait, you don't have a texture. Why don't you have a texture? You should have a texture. Hey, XIV. Oh, also, I have one of their devs in a tournament a while back. They're based as fuck, old friend. That sounds really fucking cool. I know Clay has like this really cool thing. I don't know if they still do it, but when I watched a video about the development of Don't Starve, and they actually started with like it was an in-house game jam where they would break off into teams, and then each team came up with a game, and they would like make that over a week and like prototype it, and that was fucking cool.
Okay, Betty, it seems to be working for the most part. It's at least picking a random position on the map. For some reason, one of them spawned up here.
Okay.
That was the only weird thing.
So you can run that position through the navigation region's get closest point function, I think.
But the issue is that it should be getting a random point on the navigation region. That's what it's currently doing. And then it randomly picked one up there. Looks like it might have just done it again. I didn't notice. Yeah, something about up there is like there's just something broken with the navigation region.
No, it's because the navigation region extends really far upwards. So it might just be picking a random spot and then moving it into the navigation region. I'm not sure, to be honest, what it's doing. I don't know how that function works. I've never used it.
See, there's one up there now. But like everywhere else, it's fine.
So yeah, try running that through the get closest point function just to see if it is any different. Would I ever do a tutorial on tiling?
Like tile maps?
Like tile maps? Yeah, probably not, just because there's already really good resources on it.
Honestly, you could make one about copying the like terrain and like all the other info that is stored on a tile set, because that's something that's very helpful. That's like kind of confusing to do, but is very helpful.
Yeah,
and that wouldn't be like hard to make as like a short 5-minute video. Just saying, you could make a video.
Ew. Why would I do that?
Video.
No video. Ah, yuck. Never done that before.
Random position. Okay, so we will do.
Why are you not being? Oh, now you're not being updated at all. Actually, is it because you are? Oh, I don't understand. Call deferred, maybe until the next frame, perhaps. Yeah, there's already tutorials on tiling, so I don't. Unless there's something like specific that you can think of that would need addressing, I feel like it's already been done by people who are much better at that kind of tutorial style. tracking. Tracking is enabled here for this. Okay, I think I know kind of what's going on with this. I think the issue is that these need to be, because they're controls, they have to be shown at some point so they have their size updated. So I could do full map dot show map viewports, and then I have full map dot hide dot all preferred. That might work. We'll see if it does though. I hope that it doesn't cause like any sort of like weird frame effect. It doesn't look like it, although this is hidden. That didn't work at all.
That seems to be working, I guess. Weird, but I guess it works, it works. And let me set this to true. I think that should theoretically make them spread out a bit more evenly. But if it doesn't, then I can do my own thing for spreading them out evenly. Because the main thing is I don't want there to be like 20 of them in the same area. That actually seems to be working pretty well. Nah, they're still pretty grouped together. So I guess what we can do is store a list of all the points, and then when we get a new point, check to make sure that point isn't within a certain distance of all the other points. And if it is, then redo the thing. I'm sure this won't end up with me recursively calling the pick random function a million times. Definitely not.
Okay, that works. That's not like amazing, but that works. Yay. Minimap is working again. Cool. I do want to make it so you can click on this. Oh shit! Oh no, just kidding. I actually just can't attack at all because of some shit that I was doing. Yeah, that's some shit that I'm doing. Yeah, that's not nearly as important as I want it to be. Standard attack. Really? You're only buffered for one frame? That's weird. I feel like... You're being cleared. I know what's happening. The clear attack function is being called when it shouldn't be. Allegedly. Maybe not? Wait, what? So I clicked a single
I'm
time.
using recursion. This is gonna cause so many errors. Sorry.
So this got set to 0.1 and got set to 0.83, and then our attack buffer setter start attacking. Okay, yeah. That makes sense, kind of. Oh, I know. Kinda. You are being called when you shouldn't be. You're being called on attack input when you should be called by
I don't think that's working. Oh, duh, because I'm not adding the point to the list of points.
Fuck, this isn't being buffered correctly.
If this works first try, I actually don't know what I'm gonna do if this works on first try, but
This is actually like really important to fix. I
Nope,
think.
it didn't
Fuck,
work.
This is annoying.
yippee! Infinite recursion. Let's go.
Yay!
Okay, maybe we turn this number down. That might be too high. Actually, I might want to be careful with this because I think, yeah. So I think this will work. The issue is that if you somehow get stickers or some sort of relics that increase the number of portals there are, if you get up to a certain amount, I think it will infinite recursion automatically.
Wait, what are you doing?
Each time it adds a point, or each time it spawns a portal, it saves that point in a list of points, and then every time it spawns another portal after that from the same card, it'll check that point against the every other point to make sure it's not within a certain distance, so that way it doesn't spawn a bunch of portals right next to each other. So it works quite nice like this. The issue is if, say, there was like 100 of them, there's no way for it to place all of them.
So what you can do, if you wanted to,
This actually works really well, though.
Yeah. So what you could do, is, can I see what your code looks like?
Yeah.
Just because I want to see. So you're doing. I'll put you on screen real quick.
Here, do you
Everyone
need
gets
to
to look
do you
at
need to
this.
make it bigger?
Yeah, please. Thank you.
There we go.
So point at random, map get random point, map get closest point, point and points.
Don't worry about
There's
point
nothing
on
on
map
that.
is
Oh, no.
going to be like the actual point,
Yeah.
the random point. It's just the
Yeah.
making sure that it's
Yeah, it
actually
has to
on
be
the map.
converted, yeah.
Yeah.
So what you can do is every time.
I could have like a max recursion.
Well, I was also gonna say that you could also do a thing where it's what is point distance min? That's an exported var. I don't think
Yeah,
that
It's
is that
300.
used. Is this an object? This is like the one object. This isn't like the.
This is like the spawner. This is what'll go inside of the card as the card scene. Or it's
Where are you
currently
getting the points from?
the points. It's just picking random points. Oh, the point,
Wait,
like
sorry,
points,
hold on.
like the array of
Yeah.
points. So each time it spawns one, it adds the point where it spawned to the list of points. So the first one will pick a random point, and it'll automatically. So it'll just ignore all this because there's
Oh,
no
I see.
points.
For portal in portal count calls
Yes.
this.
Yes.
No. What?
Yes. Yes.
Oh yeah, pick random pause. I don't know why I can't read that. Okay, yeah. So what you could do is every time, if you wanted to avoid some of the fears of recursion, you could assign a variable, kick down a line on like line 20.
20.
Yeah. And then do var current min equals point distance min. Also, try to get in the habit of using colon equals if you're able to.
Okay. Yeah,
It makes the code faster and safer. And then you can use that inside of your if check on 23.
Mm-hmm.
And wait, hold on. Sorry, sorry. Give me just a moment to like read this for a moment.
Did I like do something evil?
No, you're fine. I hate recursion because it's not how I think about things, so I have to like adapt it into what a loop would be like, and like what this is doing. Oh,
I actually like recursion. It's kind of cool.
So, fuck, that's not gonna work, is it?
I don't know.
So it's checking. Oh my god. So it's checking every point.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, that doesn't.
So for each point, it's like, is this within the distance of where this is trying to spawn?
Okay, so since you're doing recursion, we're gonna have to change something. Based on what I was gonna write. So you can kill current min on 21. Or just like Control Z it away.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then add a new parameter to pick random pause.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
It would just be like distance min. And then set it colon equals to point distance min. And then on line 22, you can change that to distance min, and on line 23, pass distance min into the function instead.
Okay.
And then instead of just doing distance min, do like distance min times like 0.99 or something, like on line 23.
Here?
Yep.
Like that?
So what this is going to do is whenever you call pick random pause, by default, it's going to say, okay, we want the minimum distance to be whatever the exported minimum distance is.
Mm-hmm.
But every time it recurses,
it'll reduce
multiply that by 0.99, so it will keep reducing it.
So theoretically, I had this
eventually-
at 500 and it was breaking before. So if we try this, will it work?
Hopefully not. Hopefully it should just like fix it.
Well, yeah, hopefully it should. You mean hopefully it should work?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, it works.
I thought you were gonna say, yeah. You could also make it like a little bit more aggressive if you wanted to, if it ends up running into performance. But there's a couple of things that could be changed about that for performance reasons. You could actually probably set that to like, I don't know, 2,000 or like 5,000 or something, and that fix should let it still happen.
Yeah. And that would kind of make it like, this is probably going to make them like try to be as far away from each other as possible, which will be interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah. So it's kind of like a failsafe where it's like if the game will get like frustrated and it'll be like, it gets like more and more lenient with where it's trying to place.
So wait, I wonder if it'll, okay, I was wondering if it would like have like a consistent pattern of like where it places them. I mean, it's pretty consistent. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Let's see if it like.
And then you could even turn up the portal count probably to like a fuck ton, and it would still.
Try 100. Actually,
it's
before I do that, I'm going to
the fuck down.
Get rid of this, so that way it doesn't.
Oh, I don't even hear the sound. So
yeah.
If you're calling the function place sound, that's gonna crash.
Actually, yeah, I know.
You just do a pass.
But I was just gonna keep that because I don't need it here anyways, because I want it to be in the main thing, because I only want to play the sound once.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Woo!
Yeah, so
Let's
it does work.
see.
It just lags.
Yeah. That actually looks
Yeah, and
really
then you could
cool,
probably make
though.
it more aggressive. You could change that to probably like 0.95 or something.
Yeah, let's see if we can get it to perform
so it converges
well.
faster.
Yeah. Back. So I'll try to make it so that this set of things will perform decently well, which obviously it's never going to get that high, but
Yeah, it's also going to lag because you're spawning in so many nodes. But,
yeah, well,
I mean that
that
runs
worked
like
pretty well.
relatively well
Yeah.
enough.
Yeah, that's definitely good enough. Oh, wait a second.
That might be. Oh,
It might just be
interesting.
something with the area, with the navigation area is messed up.
Oh, wait a minute. You might be right. Does Start Room have a fucked up navigation region? It does,
Yes.
yeah. It hasn't been rebaked since that was changed.
Yeah, that's funny. Okay, then
So you can actually,
I don't need the extra thing.
Yeah, probably not, I guess. Well, I guess find out if you need the extra thing or not.
Yeah, we can just rename this to point on map. Because I'm pretty sure this is gonna just do the exact same thing. Because I was wondering why it was only up there and not like anywhere else, but that makes sense now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still up there. That's fine.
Yeah, if you go into the empty start room and just hit the bake button on the navigation region. That's good.
Okay. Yeah, perfect.
That is also the fucking bitrate destroyer, by the way.
Oh, was it dying?
On Discord, yes. So I'm sure also on the stream.
Dante's 9-bit rate.
What was I doing here? Oh yeah, I need to fix
That's
the
a bit
buffer
better.
settings. Here. Start attacking. If that.
Let's try this out in some other rooms. Oh wait, did you change? Did you make the seed random again? Did you change anything
no.
with the seed whatsoever?
No, you've got a
Okay,
fucking
the
thing in
seed's
there.
random.
You put
The seed's different.
Yeah, because you put Salmon Storm in the start room.
Why does it do that? Why does it make it?
Because it spawns particles.
change?
The particles call random before the room loads.
Oh, is that how that works? I don't know how that works.
Yeah, so whenever we figured this one out. It's when the levels are generated, it spawns the rooms because it needs information about them. And when it instantiates the rooms and like loads them in, it will like set the nodes up, and particles use the random function, and so they call RNG, and then the what is it?
It's honestly really cool
and
how
then
this
the level
works.
generation runs. So any particles that are existing in the level will call RNG before the levels generate. So if you add any particles, it will cause them to reshuffle the levels. Because I haven't fixed that bug.
Well, now we just need to make the fish spawn out of these.
The
Which, honestly, this card is pretty simple, which is cool.
Yeah.
But let me think what stickers could use it. We should probably, I don't know if we'll have it for the plate. Maybe we can. A sticker that would increase like the count of whatever the thing that the card does is. So like increase projectile count or increase the portal count. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh shit.
I get to see
There
the
he
cool.
goes.
Oh wait, he even bounces on the platforms.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Maybe this is fun. Wait, where it is?
I know. I still think that he should go into his knocked back
he
state whenever
should-
he gets hit.
Maybe. He's the bouncing on the bounce pad.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
I don't have the heart to tell him that he never bounced on the bounce pad.
Oh.
He just got hit by an enemy at the same time.
Oh, that's sad.
That movement controller can't bounce on bounce pads. I can add that. But
Yeah,
it
you
just
probably
can't
should.
currently.
I'm trying to think. I feel like he still needs a little bit. Maybe get the tiniest little bit of the gradient texture for the contrast. because like
Maybe.
I can
You can
barely
play around
see
with
him.
it if you want.
But
Or you can.
it's okay.
Yeah, you can experiment with
Wait,
it.
he's stuck.
or
He's stuck.
something. You
It's
can't,
over.
but-
Oh, he's going up. He's going up.
Holy shit, dude.
Oh, B made it up.
Infuriating.
Oh.
Dude, this guy. By the way, this guy was like, I don't know if I really like that.
Yeah.
And he's sitting here and he's
'cause,
watching Dante get hit for like 2 minutes straight.
As I said I don't know if I like it. I didn't say I didn't like it. I mean,
know if
actually,
I
I
like
think
it
I
'cause
did
it's
say
fucking
that I
good.
didn't like it, but
Yeah.
we don't talk about
We're like,
that.
I don't really like that.
Wait, I can still spawn salmon storms even when I'm dead.
Yeah, I haven't disabled player control yet. You can also teleport with Z.
Oop.
Also, if you middle click and press
Why
R,
did-
it
oh.
will.
I pressed Shift R. I tried opening the debug menu and it.
Oh, yeah, you
Respawn
pressed
me.
R, which restarted the thing.
Oh, I see.
You can also. No, you can't. Actually, I removed that control. That's only on mine.
Anyways, well, that works now. I actually make it work rather than just messing around.
It's also. It makes me really happy to hear you say, "Oh, this card's actually pretty simple." Because it is, because of everything that we've been doing for the
Yeah.
last like half year. It is pretty simple now. Where is? I think these are all the prints that I got rid of. Yeah, okay, cool. So the attack buffer works again. I fixed the mini map thing, so now I need to add teleporting to rooms. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Which I don't know how I'm gonna do that.
Honestly,
Okay, I do.
I think that we could make. Maybe we could make the train work. Because realistically, the hardest part is just making it look cool. Because teleporting
so-
isn't hard.
Yeah,
Why
so
isn't
the
that
thing that I
playing
want you to
Oh.
take a look, because you disabled
Mhm.
it. No, you didn't. I don't know. So I do want you to look at the list of things that we need to do for.
Yeah, that's true. You're right.
Well, I don't like the relics. We need to have them display.
Yeah, that's the main
stickers.
thing. The stickers.
I'm still thinking about this one. I don't know how this one's going to work.
Which one?
These are there, but the
I don't
trigger
think-
the card twice.
Yeah,
I haven't thought
like,
about it too much. but-
mechanically, it's not complicated. It's just like how to implement it. You just have to think about it.
Yeah.
Because I mean, the cards
The
have
worm
just like
boss-
activate on them, right? So you could just be like do that twice.
Yes,
but that sounds
but
more simple than
stickers-
it actually is. Yeah.
Yeah, stickers don't have the ability currently to just listen for when a card is being used, so I would have to add that. But I'll have to think about it.
Yeah, that's fair.
There's also like animations and shit that need to be played. I don't know how that's going to work. Like with a sword, whenever you swing it, I don't know how that's gonna work.
Yeah. We could just not have that one in there for the playtest.
That one
if
might
you
be
don't-
worth like taking out for the playtest. Yeah, 'cause
Yeah. Maybe we could try to
Um,
put the additional projectile or additional attack object or whatever instead.
we could.
We also need to figure out like vocabulary for the stickers
shit.
since a lot of them
I just-
aren't like add this double the projectiles, it's like double the attack or whatever.
Okay, JW,
No,
I have
mhm.
an idea. I would like to pitch you this idea. Okay.
Sorry.
So this projectile is traveling at the wall, right? And it's going to hit the wall and it's going to poof into smoke,
Looks like it, yeah.
right? So what if we had a sticker or something for projectiles that when it hit the wall, rather than poofing into smoke, it became two tiny, less damaging versions of the projectile that shot off in different directions.
Yeah, sure.
And then if there are multiple of the stickers, they split again into smaller versions.
Oh dear. So it's just the
That do
bounce
even
sticker,
less
but like
damage.
shotgun.
Kinda. It's like the bounce. It's like fragmentation, kinda.
Yeah.
We could even have it so that rather than them being like full-on projectiles that move themselves, they're just like little shards that come out. Or like whenever you hit something and the bullet dies, it like impacts and it causes like like spiky shards and shit to fly out that deal nearby damage to nearby enemies.
What we could
Like
do?
shatter
What
on hit
if?
or something. Glass bullets.
I'm just trying to think
idea.
because we could make it that it just scales it. So just scale it down Maybe. So that way we could use it on other things as well.
Maybe.
So like if you throw a bee and then when the bee hits, it turns into 2 smaller bees with half the damage or something like
when
that.
You throw a bee. I like how it's not throw a beehive, it's when you throw a bee.
Yeah, when you use a bee, whatever. But like that could be cool because then you could use it for other things or like.
We could even use like the properties. We could say like size property, and we could add like a new like times like half or whatever.
Yeah.
But I don't know how we. Actually, that's. I'll think about it. There's like some weird things there, but whatever.
Yeah, that could be fun though.
Yeah. We also need the weak pistol and weak knives.
Yeah, that will be theoretically easy.
Sticky trap.
That's the like bear trap thing.
We don't have a debuff bar yet or buff bar. I would like to work on that at the same time as the relics.
We don't have what?
For the cards, for like showing that you've got extra mana for X amount of time, like a buff bar that shows how long your duration of the buff is going to be.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Or like some sort of like statuses or something. However, wherever that's going to go. I don't know where. I'm just used to it being like an up here kind of thing.
Yeah, maybe like along the left side. Like vertically. Like below that, yeah.
I'm not like a huge fan of that, I'll be honest. And I don't 100% know why, but I'm not.
Where else do you think?
I don't know, just like here or something. Like
yeah, but
coins or something.
Where's there? There's no room there.
I don't know, man.
Also, I'm thinking we should make the scale of the mana bar a little bit smaller.
Yeah, like
maybe make it half.
Here or something.
Yeah, because if you add another 50, it's already like sticking way out into your screen.
Yeah.
So like, yeah. And that's not hard to do, right? You know how that works, right?
No, kinda.
Kind of.
It's not that hard to do now. And then there's also of these cards, shotgun you did. Fast pointy sword shouldn't be difficult. It's mainly animations.
Yeah.
Laser pointer needs to be fixed. That's a me issue.
Yeah, and it needs to be made to look cool and also have cool sounds.
Yeah.
Oh, the nice thing is now we don't have to worry about the sounds for that, at least, because I have the audio loop player.
Yeah, true. The stone block, we need to figure out what all we want to do with that. The box, the bounce pad spawner. This isn't difficult. This one might be, but we'll have to see.
Yeah.
Double jump, probably not that difficult, but I don't know if we're gonna still want that. Salmon storm, that's what you're working on now. This guy's, he exists. He needs some work. Firebat exists and is mostly good. I think the only thing the Firebat needs is like keep them from going too high. They have an issue where whenever they shoot down at the player, they just going up, which is a fucking annoying bastard move. Fire spider doesn't exist. I mean, he does, but he doesn't really work.
He doesn't really work.
Yeah, Hive.
I don't know how I want him to work.
Fine.
Yes, he's pretty much fine. I think for the spawn, I want to improve the make them shoot a little bit farther and improve the charge.
Yeah, because the charge is kind of just like a line pointing at the player, and I think they should have like a little bit of something else going on.
And I think I want to make them a little bit more accurate because right now they're not too much of a threat, like in the slightest. If there's a bunch of them.
I'm not a huge fan of the way that they telegraph exactly where they're going to go. Like, this is a cool thing. I think that they should telegraph the direction they're going to go, but it should kind of be up to the player to extrapolate that. I don't think that there should be like an indicator that's exactly where the player needs to dodge.
Yeah, that's fair.
So like having them kind of like move back and then shake a little bit as they're doing that. They also don't shake. I think they 100% should do like a little like wiggle back and forth as they, like a shudder kind of.
Yeah.
Fire
Did we want to try to add the attack indicators or no? Oh, it's literally right there. Never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can try.
Well, the attack indicators are a thing.
Yeah, it's just making
that you can actually play around with in your like in attack indicator testing. This thing should be on your computer. They work. The biggest problem is like displaying them. I still don't know how I want to make that work. Is like it might just have to be like you draw a shape where you want it to be, and it's assumed that it will turn into an indicator in game. Like let's say you had like the ground enemy fire guy, and you wanted to show his indicator. Ideally, it would put something like this in the scene so you could like draw this in and show what it looks like. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that to work in time for the demo. So you might just have to be like, here's like a polygon 2D, and you have to just be like, I want his indicator to be like this. And it's going to look like shit here, but just know that if you like took this and put this in here, like it would look good. I mean, obviously that's scaled up by 4, but
that's okay.
You know, like
I get what you're saying.
Yeah, like it will look good once it's in game. It just doesn't in the engine yet.
Do you have a way to like?
Because it's
like fade it out. Just thinking. Like say if you had that, go back to the shape that you had before. If you had it like,
if it did
fade out to the right, so like the attack starts on the right and then it kind of like fades out on the right.
I do not currently.
Okay.
But I would like to also have that.
Yeah, because that's kind of like that's what I was thinking for like the flying guys. They kind of have like a cone that would be like pretty wide, flying so it's like the spawn.
Like this flying guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So it kind of like a little cone that would pop out as they like wiggle around.
Maybe.
Because ideally, I think I want most enemies to have indicators. I think I would want to try it, but.
Yeah, I think we should try it. I'm not super married to the idea of indicators. I think that it should be telegraphed in the movement and behavior of the enemy more than the indicators.
I somewhat agree, but also, unless we redesign some things, currently the readability is a little bit lacking.
Yeah.
Which is like, I think we could go with the artistic choices that we have currently, and then just add I think the indicators kind of add some gaminess, but it's not like in a bad way.
Yeah.
Like I feel like it would be cool to have like see all the attacks like all over the place and just barely be like running between them. Sounds a lot more cool than like, oh, where's this attack going because I can't see because there's a bunch of enemies all over my screen.
Yeah.
I think it depends on like what kind of difficulty we're going for as well.
Because the main thing I want to avoid.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
No, you go ahead because I don't remember what I was gonna say. I don't.
So
that was basically done.
Like with this guy having like a cone of like where he's like looking to go, or like something like that, like a little flashlight, whatever, that gets like shaded closer to him, is probably fine. But for example, this guy should not have an indicator of like where you should stand to avoid his bullets, because his bullets are like the indicator.
Yeah. I think what my thought process was attacks that are more like instantaneous, or like they have an active hitbox rather than like a projectile.
Like I don't think the slime should have an indicator.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, exactly.
Because whenever he lands, he's gonna spawn like some sort of like fire that comes out, like a Zetterburn shine kind of thing.
Yeah.
Is what I'm thinking.
But like, say there's an enemy that spits out like bombs or something like that. The bombs should have like a little ring around them, showing like the radius of where they're gonna explode. I think.
Almost. I agree with you. So long as they're not always there. I think that if the bomb, say the bomb has like a 2-second delay, I think in the last like 75th or like 0.75 seconds or like last half second is like the ring should kind of show up as it's about to explode.
Yeah, maybe, because that would also help indicate like when it's about to explode.
Yeah, like how this guy, I mean, like this, obviously that's not his indicator, but let's say that was his indicator. That could be how the bomb does its thing, is like it has like a circle that kind of like fades as like it's about to explode, and then goes and then like pops. So it's not like always there. Actually, I'm really happy with his indicator, to be honest.
Yeah, it is pretty sick.
Kind of like crazy with that shit.
I think maybe his fire rate should be a little... There's something weird about his projectiles, how closely they're grouped together.
Yeah.
I feel like you should be able to dodge between them when he shoots them.
I think they should be faster, to be honest. They're very, very slow. They're like snail's pace slow.
Maybe a little faster, yeah.
We could probably like remove the initial burst, or at least like lessen it, and just make the entire thing kind of a little bit faster.
Yeah.
Dante.
This game is so cool.
Yeah. And then there's also the fire slime.
I also need to play
I don't know if we're
fire
gonna have
more.
the fire thing. But maybe we'll have the fire thing in.
The fire slime? Yeah, we definitely will.
The fire on the platforms.
The fire on the platforms. Yeah.
Whenever he lands on it, yeah, it like spews the fire out and over.
Mm-hmm.
I
completely forgot about the fire.
We'll
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see.
I thought it was going pretty well.
It's not like the worst thing ever, but I do think that just having him have the attack where he like, airs up and then he jumps onto something that spawns like a kind of like a poof of like fire that like goes out and hurts everything around him is fine.
Yeah, so maybe what we could do instead, at least for right now, is when he hops around, when he hits in his shell, it just does like a tiny little bit of damage. And then when you kill him, it spawns like an explosion that deals like a big ring of damage. And then when he jumps around after that, he has like little mini explosions when he hits the ground. So he has like a larger damage radius.
Maybe.
When he's in like the fire mode.
Yeah, I think that's maybe fine. I know that this is like kind of a cool concept. I don't think this would work for this guy. But imagine the slime. But whenever you kill him. Rather, like, this is the regular slime with none of the shell breaking. Whenever you get him to 0 HP, his shell breaks off, and he no longer takes damage. He can still take knockback from your hits, but he very quickly jumps after you, and he kind of like starts flashing, and after a set amount of time, he explodes. So he's like an enemy that, like, you've killed him, but now you need to run. Like, you've done the job of like shooting him to kill him, but now you need to get away from it.
Maybe that could be fun.
Kind of like is there a guy like that in
Genshin?
What game am I thinking of?
No,
I don't think it's Genshin.
I don't think so. Wait, why is the slime not chasing me? I just realized he's just sitting here.
Because I turned up its idle time while I was testing card shader
Oh,
stuff.
okay. I was like, why is
its
he
idle time is
standing there?
500 instead of like.
Okay, I see. I was so confused.
Yeah. No, because I needed an enemy that would stand there, and the slime was already in the room, and I was like, "Fuck it, buddy, you're becoming really, really slow now."
Yeah.
So yeah, we still have like a decent amount. Excuse me. It's not like undoable, but I do just want to be like a little like. Maybe we should pick our battles here and there. But I do want to add teleporting for rooms regardless, because I think that's like a
yes,
very
that is
valuable
definitely a thing we need. And then the worm. Is there anything we want to do with him?
I don't know. This was about the worm enemy, not the worm boss.
Yes. I think he's decent how he is. He just needs some like sounds and more indicators in terms of like where.
Yeah. I don't know if you remember whenever we were at Godokon, there was the one guy that was talking about the Terraria worms. And,
yeah, how they're like louder
as they're going
faster. Yeah.
Yeah. When they go through and they do like a little like
yeah,
and like
which
as they speed up, it like goes up faster
hate
and faster.
that sound. It's so bad
because it's scary. But no, it's not bad.
It's bad. It sounds sounds nothing like digging. It's just like
it's a very clear sound. It doesn't need to sound anything like digging.
It's a clear sound, but I hate how it sounds because it just doesn't sound like worm.
That's actually something that I want to keep an ear on is sounds don't need to be like super precise to what they're supposed to be. One thing for something like this, like an indicator of like an enemy is about to attack, is that it should be like clear to someone, like not iconic, but like, after you and I have played Dante's 9 a lot, if we heard some of the sounds of the enemies attacking, I would like us to be able to tell exactly what enemy was about to attack. And like,
yeah, I agree.
Like something like that, where it's like, this is very clearly this
semi-auto.
Semi-auto.
Yeah, why did you turn this into the kettle from Arc Raiders?
Fuck, I fucked shit up. I fucked it. No, is it broken on mine too?
The kettle is the best gun, by the way, in Arc Raiders.
That's great, dude.
And it's not even a rare gun.
Why is it? You want to see something cooler? Can you shoot yours? Just hold down left click.
I'm holding.
Like, are you holding down left click?
I'm holding.
Like, just click and hold once. So it just shoots one bullet. You want to see something cool?
Yeah.
Mine does too.
Why does your do too?
I made some changes. Because I
Why
found a
the
bug and then I was making
burst?
changes to it, but there's multiple issues with it. It's with a thing that I did. I'm probably gonna revert it.
I know you hate it, but I want a gun that you have to spam click really fast.
Why?
I don't know. There's just something about it that makes me happy. About like semi-auto pistols that shoot really fast. We don't have
Well, we
to
can have
it.
semi-auto like pistols that are like that. That's totally fine. I just don't think that it should ever become automatic then.
Okay. Yeah, that's fair.
Like, is the regular pistol not
It's automatic.
semi-auto?
It's automatic.
Oh, well, it's not right now. It's not gonna work right now. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't even try it. Yeah. It's
Oh,
just
did you just make
it's
everything not automatic? Okay.
Yeah, I fucked it.
Yeah. Oh wait, by the way, do you have like a balance pass on the to-do list?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, because we desperately
Balance
need
mana
that.
costs. Yeah.
And
I believe there was a thing.
We need to balance like
There's not, but
damages and stuff of just everything.
Yeah.
The bees might be my favorite card right now. They're just they're kind of funny.
Yeah, they're funky little dudes.
And the sounds are like
They always like
perfect.
fuck with me. Cause have you pushed up those textures yet? Actually,
What textures? The bee textures?
the beehive.
Definitely.
Oh yeah. Okay. They always fuck with me because looking at your stream and even kind of a little bit now, it kind of feels like this is the front of the bee. A little bit. Because it kind of feels like they have like a very fat body with like a little head that has like the antenna coming out. But it's not like that. It's that they have a really big head with like a little body thing. Like this is the eye, I guess is what you're doing.
Yeah, that's the
and then
eye.
they've got like a little stinger.
Yeah, it's a little stinger.
But like this feels more right. Even looking at this right now, like that still feels like the head and this just feels like the butt.
I don't.
And so seeing them move the opposite way is like really fucking with me because it looks like they're flying backwards to me.
I don't know. I think you're just
Like always.
Yeah, I think you're just. I think something's just messed up. Oh, one of the gibbs just teleported to the floor. That was one of the shells. I don't think I'd seen that before. Oh, by the way, I added a parameter on the gun components for the shell because the shotgun has different shells. Also, not a big deal, but the shell's rotated wrong when you shoot to the left. I don't know if there's a way to fix that. That's with my Gib spawner.
Oh,
if you
well,
look,
that's it.
yeah, the shell is facing the other way when you shoot this way, which like
Does it
actually
face the wrong way when you shoot to the right as well?
no, it's just always
What
facing
if you
up.
shoot up?
I actually should probably just give it a random rotation because it would just like it should come out rotating at least a little bit.
Yeah, it should come out like honestly kind of spinning like a decent bit.
Yeah, it shouldn't just like it should spin. Although like that looks pretty cool still. I'm really happy with the shells. They look nice.
So how do I do a room teleportation?
I forgot I made this guy exist as an enemy, and you can just spawn him.
What is this? Oh, there's text on there. I understand.
I feel like he needs some work in terms of the art.
Who? Oh yeah.
The golem.
Yeah, his art has
body's a little
definitely
weird.
like aged a little bit
Yeah,
compared
no,
to
because that was like the second enemy that I designed after the ground guys.
Yeah.
Which the ground guys like aren't even very. I guess they're decent. I don't even know what they are. There's like little gremlins.
Little imps.
They're like little evil Dante.
They're like imp cats.
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe them. They're like little fucking like what are those dogs? They're not chihuahuas. They kind of remind me of like little dogs though, like
Yeah.
Yorkshire Terriers.
That was kind of the idea, is like little evil doggies sort of thing.
You could have just called them doggies. You didn't have to include the evil parts.
Yeah,
That's
that's
like
an
default.
oxymoron.
That's not right. Oxymoron is like opposites.
Oh. Oh wait, I'm on Biddy Vision this entire time, so you guys are just hearing random
That's
shotgun
okay.
noises.
Yeah, no.
It's okay. I'm just running around throwing beehives and not working on the game because
Can this get mouse over?
why would I do that? You know.
I'll be honest. My mind might be like spent today. I'll be honest, because like I had a lot of work stuff going on.
Okay.
I had a very busy work day because I had to show off the shit that we were working on, or the shit that mainly me, but was working on for the last like 2 months.
That sounds scary.
The third-party company that we were working.
Oh, that
with.
sounds really scary.
Yeah, so it was like people that I don't even like talk to, that I've talked to like maybe 3 times,
Yeah.
and it's dealing with very, very important business stuff.
Mhm.
So that was terrifying. But
Yeah,
I might just call it here, to be honest, which is very short stream, but like
that's
I'm
okay. If you're tired,
kind of dying.
I might still work on some stuff after, but we'll see.
All right, yeah. Sorry for ending stream early, people, but thank you for stopping by. I hope that. What was I gonna say? I don't even fucking know, dude. My
Okay, we're
brain is,
streaming
like,
next
spent
on
today.
Sunday at 2:30
This
p.m.
is true.
Good night, everybody.
Wait, 2:30? 3:30 or 2:30?
2:30.
2:30.
It's been 2:30 for like forever.
I will have a trailer start by then. I
yeah,
promise.
you promise.
Yep.
Good night,
Yep,
everyone.
I promise, and I don't